Here is another cool adapter slash tool. This is an IDE. Well, now this is IDE, and this is the laptop IDE, and this is SATA. So this one USB cord can connect any one of those three types, which I'll show you the first type right here. It's got pins, and this one does not require any extra power to work. You slide it on there and plug it into your computer. You can hear see, there it is. Okay. Let me move it safely. And okay. And also, new SATA right here, which you may have seen in one of my other videos. But the SATA port goes right in here, and then you connect this to your SATA drive, and then you will need a power supply, which I have a power supply that I have rigged to give it power while I have certain hard drives connected. But it's a nice little adapter to have, very universal.